Welcome to the Siege Studios Patreon account. Here at Siege we've been asked by many people on a weekly basis, if not daily, about producing some form of online tuition or tutorials that people can have access to. We already run courses all over the UK, but we just don't offer an online service, and that's what this Patreon is for. Will and Simon, who are the two artists from Siege that will be creating all the content on our Patreon, have loads of awesome articles that are going to be coming out weekly. You'll have video content.
Very carefully drag it down to the brightest point. Once that's drying, I'll get the other pieces too.
And you'll also have PDFs with audio content that comes with them. So the PDF that you get will obviously have all the step-by-steps and information, but along with that you'll have audio content of each step to listen to while you're looking at the PDF, and it makes it a lot more engaging for you.
Using a sponge again, you want to apply Caliban Green this time. Now be quite sparing with it on the sponge because it's a very strong base.
Hi guys, my name's Simon. I'm one of the senior artists here at Siege Studios. Welcome to our Patreon. I got into the hobby in the late 80s, went into an independent gaming store and got addicted, found my way into it. I then had a bit of a hiatus from the hobby, as I'm sure most of you will have done as well. But when I got back into the hobby, I found that attaining new skills was quite a tricky subject to pick up on. I want to make sure that you guys have an accessible way to get hold of skills and new techniques and develop yourselves as painters. And that's it really, guys. So thank you very much, and we hope you'll join us on Patreon.
Hey, I'm Will. I'll be working on the Patreon here. I'll be producing video tutorials, guides, and my main focus is characters and display pieces, so it'll be a lot of work that helps push the quality of painting and hopefully get some good results out of it.
Thank you very much for stopping by our Patreon account. We really appreciate it. I hope that with Simon and with Will, you'll be able to join us in the journey of improving your painting through the various techniques and exercises which are going to be here on Patreon. Thank you ever so much.